In this video, let's talk about off-road wheel spacers for a Prado. As long as you use quality wheel spacers and install them properly to prevent flexing and loss of clamp force, they are very safe and reliable for off-road. In fact, Prado wheel spacers make no difference as wheel with a negative offset. When the wheel nuts are correctly tightened, they will strike elastically to keep everything in the right place. If they are torqued properly, they will never come off. According to the mechanical structure of wheels, half-century wheel spacers are better than lug-century ones. Besides, half-century wheel spacers allow the wheels to support the vehicle's weight and fill the gap for a more tightly fit, reducing any possible off-shaking. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with good Prado wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Prado wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS anti-wear test reports. All BONOSS Prado wheel spacers package come complete with all necessary hardware, including new ISO grade 10 wheel nuts or ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud to fit your vehicle. All BONOSS Prado wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision Prado wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. BONOSS off-road wheel spacers are made of the highest quality forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum. Both forged aluminum 6061T6 and 7075T6 feature good hardness and toughness, excellent corrosion resistance, and wear-resistant characteristics. Even facing impact, they are not easy to break. The continuously forging adds superior mechanical and physical properties created by heat and pressure. They are high strength for safety and security, and very suitable for long-term applications. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.